I want to talk about a really underutilized tool for bolstering your milk supply, and it's hand expression. If you feel like your supply has dropped and you are wanting to increase it, at the end of a breastfeeding session, hand express. What I mean by this is when your baby is done nursing both sides, you will take your hand, move it away from your areola, go back to your chest wall, squeeze, back to your chest wall, squeeze. You're going to do this 5 to 10 minutes each side, and you can even add in your second hand if you have it available. Go back to your chest wall, squeeze, and then gentle push. Back to your chest wall, squeeze, gentle push. Do this all the way around. Look at all of that extra breast stimulation. It will help empty your breast further, which will tell your brain to make more milk, and you do not need to wash the pump parts afterwards. Try this. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments.